Hello everyone, it's Luna from Perfect Homes, and today I'm going to be showing you this gorgeous house in Sansai Siri 1. Let's go and check it out. And we're going to start with the living area. Once you walk in the house, you have this big space for living area, which is really nice. Right here is the dining area. The design is beautiful. Also the light is gorgeous. Very beautiful. And over here is the kitchen. It comes with the fridge, gas stove, oven, induction fan, and also the sink. And this door is connected with the kitchen and the outdoor laundry, or where you can walk to the garden as well. And for the bathroom, once you walk in, you have everything you need. You have the sink, the mirror, the toilet, and the shower area. This house has a total space of 280 square meters and 124 total of land. Has 2 bathrooms and 2 bedrooms. Now let's go check out the first bedroom. The first bedroom, very lovely. It is quite empty, so you can decorate it as you wish. It comes with a closet and 2 windows. And for the master bedroom, very gorgeous. It comes with this big closet with big mirrors, really lovely. Over here has a step up to the bedroom. It comes with a big bed. And the most beautiful part of this is that you have this door, which is connected to the garden outside and the swimming pool outside, which I will show you in a bit. And for the master bathroom, here comes the sink, the mirror, and also the shelf, the toilet, and shower area with 2 shower heads. And now I'm standing at this swimming pool, also surrounded with trees and nature, which is really beautiful. And now we're done for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or if you're interested in this house, please leave us a comment or click at the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!